Welcome to the second module of Instagram Marketing Fundamentals. In this module, we are going to understand about how to set up your Instagram account and what are different types of Instagram features. Let's move ahead. So let's first understand how to set up right Instagram profile and understand what are the different features of Instagram profile. First of all is profile image. Profile image is very important because it gives the first impression about your brand and your Instagram profile. You can have a brand image or a logo image as your Instagram image. It should be crisp and clear, that it's quick to understand what your brand logo or brand image is about. It should be relatable to the people and people should be able to quickly understand it. It should be unique and should stand out that people are attracted towards it and people click on your image and your profile to see what it is about. Second, profile description. In your profile description / bio, you can write about your brand values and USPs. You can talk about what does your brand do and talk that in detail, and it should be crystal clear and explains clearly what your brand is all about or what you are trying to achieve and what are you trying to build as your personal brand. It should be written in a local or a global language so that people are able to clearly understand it. Third, website link. You should provide a short link so that people are easily able to read it. Website link builds more trust because it shows that you are being more transparent and you want people to know more about your brand and about yourself. People can check your website and know more about you. It also drives traffic to your website. Hence, website link is very important. High definition images for your posts. Now, clear images and videos are very important because in the first glance, it makes people compelled to visit your profile and watch your content. You should have well-lit images and videos. They should be edited. You should use Instagram filters or you can use any other filters and any other apps as well. They should not be clutter in the videos or images. They should be crisp and clear, and when people watch it, they should be They should be very clear and people should feel delighted when they watch your videos and content. Fifth is Instagram story settings. Now, Instagram stories is another way through which people interact with you, and these are different settings for your Instagram stories or for other posts as well. So it is important that you set this up correctly. It depends on how do you want to respond to your followers because this also works like a communication channel. Let's say if a lot of users are commenting on your Instagram stories and you want to revert back to them, they should be allowed to reply to your message as well. It also builds transparency and tells people in your audience that this brand is looking to converse and is open to conversations. And Instagram stories is one way of communicating with the brand. Sixth, privacy settings. Account privacy settings are very important. They are important in two ways. One of the reasons is that it reduces risk of hacking. A lot of influencers or lot of brands on Instagram or any other digital media have a high risk of hacking. And hence it's important that you set this up correctly initially. You can also control what kind of post people can view or what post can be viewed by people or not. If it's a private account or it's a public account or it's a business account, that you can control at your end. And it gives you a lot of content visibility control, which you can change at any point of time. But it's important that your privacy settings are set so that there is no damage to your account in the future. 7. Business settings. So after setting up a business account, it's important to set these settings on your account because these will give you additional edge over other people. Now there are a lot of different settings on a business account. Let's say set up Instagram shopping. So Instagram shopping is a way so that you can tag products and when people click on it, they can go to your website directly on the post. Now this is not available to everyone, but once you set up a business account and once you have gained a minimum threshold of users and your followers, then this opens up. Other features are available to you without any restrictions or without any conditions. So people who are looking to set up a shopping module or an e-commerce setup or an e-commerce brand, it will really help them. And if you set this up initially from the first post itself, if you have started new or fresh on Instagram and you're doing Instagram marketing for the first time, you will definitely have an edge. And it definitely drives results towards your sales and purchase and starts building your customers from starting itself. Now we are going to understand what are the different types of Instagram posts and what are the different type of content you can create on Instagram. First, image post. So on an image post, simply you can add a location. You can add relevant hashtags, filters and captions while explaining what your image is about and whatever you are feeling or you're looking to express through this image. You can also tag and mention other accounts as well in the caption and in the description. You can pin a comment now as well on Instagram. And the way of putting image can be a single image or in a carousel format, which we'll see in the next slide. So you can create a video post as well. Either you can put a video in the single image, single format, or you can also put video in a carousel format as well. Video post in the newsfeed can have a length of up to 60 seconds. Most time is spent on video content, as obviously an image is only seen for maybe a couple of seconds, but if you're putting up a video for 60 seconds, a lot more of people are able to consume a lot more of content and you are able to express yourself even more, and hence videos are driving a lot more of engagement on Instagram now. Instagram stories. This is a feature where the image or the video disappears after 24 hours. You can use videos, images along with text, music, poll, links to external websites as well. No limits on number of stories, as they can disappear and you can add tens or hundreds, and people tend to update them regularly. Brands tend to engage with their followers through Instagram stories a lot because they constantly keep on putting a content which just disappears and it does not show in their newsfeed, and that's very good. And because of this, you can push a lot of content. Let's say, for example, if you have a post and if you have an idea of content which you are looking to push on your newsfeed, maybe you are putting 3-4 newsfeed items, newsfeed posts a day. In the stories, you can make even shorter snippets of them. Maybe you can be a bit more creative and put more stories in a day, more than 4. And once they disappear, then you can start with new stories as well. IGTV. For videos more than 60 seconds and video length up to 1 hour can be uploaded on IGTV. As people started consuming a lot more of video content, for the content creators and marketers, it was important that they are able to reach out to their audience through videos which are larger and longer in length, because then the content consumption becomes higher, the relatability with the brand, the engagement with the brand becomes higher, and because of that this feature was launched. And as a brand, you should be uploading a longer videos because it tells and gives you more space to be more creative. It gives you more space to express yourself in much more broader ways, and that can actually make people follow you much more quickly, because then people are able to understand your brand much faster. And because of that, now you can be able to create consumers and your first customers to Instagram much more faster, because they understand your brand, they understand your product offerings. Because a lot of times it's not easy to make people understand what your brand is about in just 15 seconds or 60 seconds. And you need more length, more time, more content for that. And IGTV is a perfect solution for that. Recently, Instagram launched Reels, which is a 15-second video format. Now, this is in the Explore tab of Instagram. You can create videos up to 15 seconds, add music and effects to it. This is majorly for the people who have a very short attention span, and as people are consuming a lot more of video content these days, as people are consuming a lot more of short video format content across the platform on other social medias as platforms as well. Hence, Instagram has launched this. This has very high visibility in terms of reach and views, because people are able to consume a lot more of content in a lot shorter time. And then Explore tab and feed is made in a way that you just keep on swiping up and consuming the content. And that's why this is a new feature which is going to be very effective in driving the reach and visibility for your Instagram. and for driving Instagram marketing as well. Because once people reach and visit your Instagram profile, then you can direct them to your website, as we have seen it earlier. So for your brand, it's not just about branding and awareness which is happening through Instagram Reels, but it's also about more visibility and more traffic to your website as well.